back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where you ask me questions and I answer them. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is DevanOnDeck, and here I'm all about men's fashion tips and empowering you to create better content and be more effective on social media. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subbed to my channel, press that bell icon and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Today's question comes from It's Cree via Instagram, and she asks, how do I market my business without hard selling? Should I post what's popular or what I believe is inspiring? Well, thank you so much for your question, and your answer comes in 3 parts. If you want your business to thrive on Instagram, it's the exact same rules that apply to personal branding. You have to understand the platform inside and out. You gotta know the audience that you have, the audience you want to reach, what your competitors are doing that's not working for them, that is working for them, so you can then reverse engineer it and do it yourself. In fact, I've already made a video about this, so I'm gonna have it slide out right here for you. Tap it if it gives you the top 3 things you need to know about Instagram in order to not be a rookie anymore and get you on the right track. And that leads me to number 2. Once you understand the lay of the land, you see what kind of content reigns supreme, go ahead and reverse engineer that to then set a standard for your content. You want consistent, branded content for your business, all right? Now, if your skill set doesn't match the taste level or the level it should be, then either be patient, put blood, sweat, and tears in to learn the skills, or alternatively, you can just hire somebody, outsource the type of photos and videos you would need to support your brand. And if you want a good gateway into learning how to edit your own content, I'm gonna have a little card slide out for you right there. That would be a good video to start with to learn apps that I use to edit stuff. Number 3, and most importantly, you wanna develop an overarching story and brand voice. Think about your favorite clothing brand, restaurant, drink to drink, all these things you relate to in some way, but you wouldn't know you related to them if they didn't show you, tell you, demonstrate to you that they're even relatable in the first place. Everything you say audibly or type or show visually needs to all be consistent in the same character, the same brand voice for consistency, for targeting the audience you want. And in fact, that just reminds me, I've never made a video about brand voice yet. Maybe I should. Let me know in the comments if I should make a video about brand voice. If you enjoyed this one, give your boy a thumbs up. And if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, please make that happen. Thank you for your time as always, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.